So let's begin and talk about the three mistakes people usually do while doing Ho'oponopono. Mistake number one is we don't take 100% responsibility for the way we are feeling. So if you don't take 100% responsibility for the way you're feeling, then you will not be able to clean the negative emotions that you have already stored in your body with use of Ho'oponopono. And guys, if you have not liked, share, and subscribe my channel, please go ahead and do so and click on the bell icon so that you can keep getting the notifications whenever I'm making the videos. All right, so let's come to the point number two. We think that Ho'oponopono is a manifesting tool. It's a mistake. Don't do that. Ho'oponopono is a cleansing technique. It's not a manifesting tool. However, with Ho'oponopono, you can manifest a lot of things. Why? Because once you clean all the negative emotions, the negative energies that you have stored in your body, obviously you will start attracting the good things in your life. But to do that, first you have to clean the negative energies that you have stored in your body. So, all right, so you can use it as a manifesting tool, but in the beginning, you should not because it's a cleansing tool. Then, the third point is we get too desperate. We always keep checking on whether we have reached our destination or not. And And when the desperation, the vibration of desperation goes to the universe, what will you attract? You will attract desperation, right? Because whatever vibrations you have inside you, that's the only thing that you're going to attract from the universe. So never get too desperate while you're using Ho'oponopono. So I hope now you have understood clearly how to use Ho'oponopono and what not to do while you're doing Ho'oponopono. So go ahead and like, share, and subscribe my channel if you like this video.